Do you use third-party components in your React applications? Yeah. And today we'll talk about components. Does it work? Oh. Oops. Yeah. My name is Olga. I'm working as a software developer, mainly front-end developer for like 13 years. And currently I'm working at Sencha as software developer, and we are providing JavaScript framework for building complex enterprise data-intensive web applications. We are pretty advanced with this. Its main product is more than 10 years old. And we are talking about React all the day, but sorry, nevertheless, I would like to repeat the definition of the library. So React, it's a library for building user interfaces, and it's component-based library. But wait a second, there is no components in React, and there is a trick. And we all need to solve this trick in one of two ways. We need to develop components by ourselves or use third-party components. And first approach would work great if you need to develop something relatively simple, or if you have brilliant developers, or if you have unlimited time. In most of the cases, many teams need to go second approach and use third-party components. And of course, the best source to find third-party components is NPM. So let's imagine we need to add a grid to our React application. And we search for React grid, and we are lucky. There is more than 600 grids. If we need to add a tree, then it's almost 400 trees. And if we will take something more general, like what is needed in almost every React application, like a date picker, it's 5,500 elements, packages. And there is only one issue. We need to pick one, the best one, right? And the trick is how to choose the best one. Of course, we could like trust NPM search criteria and use it to pick a component, or we could perform research ourselves, visit websites, watch demos, learn feature set APIs, check reviews, comments, or we could ask friends and colleagues for suggestions. And in general, what criteria we should to take into account when we choose a component? Of course, quality of code. If this component is under maintenance, feature set, if it supports everything that we need, who developed this component, and if a community is big enough to get answer for your questions, and compatibility, if this component more or less compatible with other components that you are using. Or you could go in an easy way and use components from one commercial vendor. Yes, you need to pay for this, but what advantages you may take? Advantages could be quality of a code. If it's a commercial vendor, then most probably they take responsibility. Compatibility would be better because components designed to work together. And fixed release schedule is also another advantage. It will not happen that one component supports only the latest version of React and another component that you need to use doesn't support it yet. And maintenance, enterprise level of maintenance and support, it's another question. So we have released a component library for React called XReact. And yes, it's a component set from one commercial vendor, but what other advantages we offer? And other advantages is that there is more than 100 pre-built components like grids, trees, pivot grids, dashboards, charts, data visualization components, calendars, forms, form fields, any kind of form fields, and pretty much everything that you may need. So all components have rich feature set. It's more like enterprise-oriented, and all components could be easily customized. And as a quick demo, I would like to show you a simple application with a grid that handles actually 2 million plus rows. So it's rendered it in a browser. And let me switch. And first row is the row number column. not easy to scroll. Oh, my mouse, I lost my mouse. Yeah. So I start scrolling. And you see it's... What happened? I have checked it. I'm sure. Okay. Mirroring display stopped working. So I will start from the beginning. And first row is row number column. And I will start scrolling. So you see it's more than 1 million, and down, 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 more than 2 million, and back, and also like sorting is also included. So in general, oops. XReact, it's not only like component set, it's also simmer tools that help you to sim components, and it's Babel and Webpack plugins. So free trial, and if you want to see more exciting examples or want to learn more details, please let me know. I'm super happy to talk.